Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I will show you how you can save 50% of your credit in Fliki. So Fliki is another AI tools that I like pretty much. They have this idea to prompt, script to prompt, and then all the other different kind of thing. It can even design your thumbnail. But most of the time I'm using this script to video because I always have my own script. But for today, I will try this idea to prompt. But before that, let's take a look about the pricing of the Fliki. So if you're on the yearly plan, right now they have a 25% off. So that is going to cost you $21 per month multiplied by 12. You need to pay in advance for the yearly plan. And that's going to cost you $252, and you get this 2,160 minutes. And for the premium plan, you're going to get 7,200 minutes. And that is a yearly plan. But if you're going for a monthly plan, then it is going to cost you $28 per month for the standard, and premium is $88. The free plan is just for you to try out because the free plan has a lot of limitation. And the free plan only have 5-minute credit, and it is with watermark. So you basically only use the free plan to try out. Anyway, you can try out these tools. The link will be in my description below. So let's get back to how you can save 50% of the credit, because when they say 180 minutes of credit per month under the standard plan, you don't actually get 180 minutes of video. Most of the time you'll get 90 or even lesser. So right now, if you can save 50% of the credit, that means you are able to get 180 minutes of video creation, including the voiceover. That is one thing to note. So if you are going for the standard plan and you just use it as it is, then most of the time you are going to get about 90 minutes or lesser, depending on which voices you are using. So let's go back to Fliki, and before I start creation, let's take a look at what I have. Right now I've used up 25 minutes out of the 180 minutes that I have, and my credit will be reset on the 13th of April. And this is the plan that I subscribe to, so it will be resetting on the 13th April. So the way to save up 50% credit is do your video on a weekend. Can you see this? Double value weekend credit, twice the content for the same credit. That means if you do your video on a Saturday and Sunday, I'm not sure what time zone Fliki is using, but if you do a video on a weekend, basically you are able to save 50% of the credit. That's what I do. So if I have the script ready, I will just create all the thumbnail, everything ready, and then on the weekend I will do my video creation. Or how can you be sure that this is a weekend or the time zone that Fliki is using? Whenever you see this green box that say double value weekend, then this is the time. Outside of this, if it is a Monday to Friday, then this box will not appear. And this is how you can save your credit with Fliki. So let's go back to Fliki. And I did not prepare a script this time, so I will just use the idea to prompt. And let's try a 1-minute video because I've used up 25 minutes. So in this case here, then we can judge how much it is using. Okay, so I'll just use the prompt here, motivational video for exercising maybe. Motivational video for exercising. And this will be 1 minute. And I'll just click next, or you can skip and create, but I'll just click next so we can select. Do you want a 9 by 16 or 16 by 9? So 9:16, as you know, is for TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reel. So let's just try with the 16:9, and then we'll click. You can select your template here. In this case, I will just click skip. Now over here, they'll ask you what tone do you like. So I like a motivational. And for what purpose? Because we put it for exercise, so they will give you some suggestion here. So maybe personal training, and then the audience will be young adult or older adult. Anyway, it's up to you. You can play around with this, and now just click next. So you will just come out with this script. Okay, I'll just accept the script, and this is telling you is slightly less than 1 minute because I tell it to create a 1 minute content, and it is using 727 character, and I'll just click next. Okay, over here, one thing about Fliki is you can always use a stock media. Stock media means stock footage that is generated and it is copyright free, that you can use it, or you can choose the AI media. In this case, I will use the AI media, and I will use this cinematic as default, so we can see how the AI is generated instead of all the stock footage. And for voiceover, okay, you can see here the studio voice is going to cost you a lot more credit to use. And even for the ultra voice or the studio voice, they'll cost you a lot to use. And if you're happy with the standard voice, then it is going to save you some credit. But let's just pick one first and take a look. Maybe we'll choose a guy.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content
maybe
using
I will
lifelike
use
AI
this
voices in less than a minute.
And remember, this is under the standard voice, and I'll just click select. Like I mentioned, standard voice costs less. And I'll just click submit, and then it will start to generate all the clip for me. Because I'm not using stock footage, so this will be AI generated image. Or you can do a mix of stock footage and AI generated image. That's up to you, but that will be after you choose one, then you can switch the scene after the script is generated or the video is generated. One thing to note is
unlock your potential.
Okay. One thing to note about Fliki is don't use their background audio, because some of the background audio is copyright in YouTube. Although they say it is copyright free, but maybe Fliki itself doesn't know it. I have used several music before from Fliki. Initially it was okay, but I think a lot of people start to use the music and the owner go and claim the copyright on the music. What we end up is the video cannot be monetized and all the profit go to the music creation. So the first thing I will do is remove the background audio. If you want a background audio, always use the YouTube library. You can export the audio from the YouTube library and use CapCut to piece it together, but don't ever use the background music from Fliki. That is my advice to you. So anyway, let's take a look at this. So this is 57 seconds. So they did perform what I tell them to do. That is a 1 minute video.
Unlock your potential. Feeling stuck? Tired of the same old routine? It's time to unleash the power within you.
Okay, so this is what Fliki generated, and we'll do it later part when I download it. So over here you can customize all this, your text, your subtitle. Sorry, when you click text, it will add up all the text box that you don't want. So let me delete it. Okay, anyway, just to show you, if you want to type some text, you can, it will show here. But anyway, I don't want that. You can customize the font and the color of the text as well. So let's just pick one. And then over here, you can see the subtitle. So if you want subtitle, you can turn on. If you don't want, you can turn it off. If you turn it off, it will be off for this scene. If you want to turn it off for the whole video, then you apply to all scenes. In this case, I leave everything as default. And let me just download it. But before that, let me change one thing, maybe. So just to show you that you can do it in Fliki. So we can use a video clip. So let me use a video clip of man exercising. No, sorry, this video clip is AI video. I can't because my plan don't allow me to do the video clip. I mean, I'm going to choose stock footage. Okay, they have all the stock footage for me. So I'm going to use this one and then select it. And let's say for this particular scene over here, I want a stock footage. I'll just select any one because this is just to show you what Fliki can do. And the rest, I leave it as an AI image. So now we have stock footage and AI image, and I'm going to download it. Remember, this is a 1 minute video. And before I start the creation of this video, I have 25 minutes out of 180 minutes. That means I use up 25 minutes before I do this video. So later on, we'll go and check back my account and see how much credit has it used up. But I did change one or two stock footage. One or two of the scene is changed to a stock footage, but that doesn't really matter. It shouldn't cost a lot for that. So I'm downloading it. The video is finished downloading. Let's go back to my account and see. You see, I'm on 26 minutes. That means I use 1 minute of credit. If you take a look at how credit works, then Fliki explain to you how the credit actually works. So if you're using a normal voice, that is the standard voice, then 1 minute is going to cost 1 credit. So if you are using ultra realistic or studio voice, then 1 minute is going to cost 2 credit. That means for 1 minute video, it will become a 2 minute just for the voices. And then we have all the AI image, avatar, all this. The image will cost you 0.05 per AI image. And then the stock footage is probably free. And this AI video clip, 1 clip is 2 credit. But for the AI video clip, it's only under the premium plan. I don't have this plan yet. It depends, in the future I may or may not get it and try it. But I only have the standard plan as of now. And I'm happy with that. So we can see, in this case, this is how the credit works. So when I'm doing a video, if I'm using the ultra realistic, then 1 minute is going to become 2 minutes. That means for the video that I created, it will cost me 2 minutes. You will deduct 2 minutes, and then I think the stock footage is also another 2 minutes. That is in total 4 minutes. But in this case, if I do it on a weekend, I can double the value for the weekend. That means all the 2 minutes will become, all the 2 minutes. If you do it on a weekday, will be 4 minutes. And if you do it on a weekend, will be 2 minutes. And I'm using the standard voice. So I'm doing a video on 1 minute. On a weekday, it will become 2 minutes because it is 1 minute just for the voice and 1 minute for the visual. So the visual will cost you 1 minute. So if I do this on a weekday, this video is going to cost me 2 minutes. But if I do it on a weekend, then it is going to cost me 1 minute. Just remember, this is a standard voice. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share it. Right now, I will just play this clip that is created by Fliki, and I did change 1 or 2 scenes to a video clip. And I will end the video here. Thank you everyone. I will see you on the next video.
Unlock your potential. Feeling stuck? Tired of the same old routine? It's time to unleash the power within you. Your limits are self-imposed. Every drop of sweat, every extra rep is a victory. Push past the discomfort. That's where growth happens. Don't shy away from the burn. Embrace the challenge and watch yourself transform, both physically and mentally. You are stronger than you think. See yourself achieving your goals. Feel the energy, the confidence, the power. Visualization fuels motivation and drives results. Ready to transform your life? Start today. Download our free workout guide and schedule a consultation. Let's build a stronger, healthier you together.
Okay, I didn't see the video clip. Most likely, I think it's because I didn't click submit button just now. So when we select, I need to click on the select button and then re-export it. But if I were to re-export it, then it is going to cost you another 1 minute of credit. Anyway, you can play around with this. Just sign up for the Fliki free account and play around with it. And I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to save credit on Fliki. Thank you everyone. See you on the next video.